Hello everyone, welcome to LMS. Today we are going to discuss the fourth unit, Theory of Simple Bending, Session 1 for third semester, Strength of Material, Mechanical Engineering. The subject code is 15ME 31T. We'll see the content of fourth unit. This is the course content and blueprints of marks for semester end exam. So fourth chapter in theory of simple bending, the total allotted hour is 7 hours. From that particular chapter you will get 30 marks in the final examination. Additionally, remembrance 5 marks, understanding 5 marks and application 20 marks, total 30 marks. The weightage of marks is like 21%. ಒಂದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 21% ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, relationship between bending stress and a radius of curvature, that is without proof. Then position of neutral axis, moment of resistance, bending equation without proof, modulus of section for rectangular and allo-rectangular and allo-circular section, then beams of uniform strength and problems on this chapter. So we'll see introduction of a member subjected to bending moment undergoes certain deformation. This you already studied in first chapter. Any member, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಡಿಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಡಿಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಶಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಬೀಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಟು ದ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಬೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಿ is called theory of simple bending. This is this introduction of theory of simple bending, and we'll see now what are the assumptions in theory of simple bending. The following are the few assumptions. The first one is the value of Young's modulus is same for the beam material in tension and compression. In both the tension and compression, the Young's modulus should be same. The second point is a transverse section of the beam which is plane before bending as well as after bending. The material of the beam is homogeneous and isotropic. It means having the same elastic property in all the directions. Then fourth point is the beam material is stressed within its elastic limit and thus obeys Hooke's law. Then fifth point is the beam is in equilibrium, that is there is no resultant pull or push in the beam section. We'll see what exactly the theory of bending. Consider a small length of dx of a beam subjected to bending moment m as shown in figure A. The figure is in next slide. See, from figure A, from whole body you take small length, the small entire body nalli we have taken only small length, that is called dx as shown in figure A. Let AB and CD, AB and CD can be two section normal to the axis NA of the beam. You can see AB and CD are the two section normal to the axis NA. NA is the neutral axis of the beam. Due to bending moment M, due to bending moment M, you can see both the side clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, that is the moment. Due to the bending moment M, the beam as a whole takes the shape as shown in figure B. See, after the figure here, before affecting with moment, this is one after affecting moment with that particular small length dx. What happened next? The length AB and CD no longer remains the same as before. Once ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ the figure 1 ಏನಿದೆ figure A, that is without moment, and figure B is the with moment. What happened once the moment acted on that particular small length L, the layer above NA are stretched due to moment. The amount of contraction above NA or elongation below NA. NA I already told that neutral axis ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the neutral axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, the section AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು that will be in contraction, and neutral axis ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು CD that will become elongation. The layer neutral axis does not undergo either contraction and elongation due to moment. In this plane there will be zero stress. This plane is called neutral plane or neutral layer or neutral surface. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ NA ಏನಿದೆ that won't undergo any contraction or elongation like AB and CD, so it will be remain same. This is what called the theory of bending. Next we'll see the bending equation. This is very important equation. So based on this equation only we are going to derive other formulas, and exam purpose and problem purpose you have to remember this formula. So it is the most important equation in theory of simple bending, which gives relationship between various characteristics of the beam. So the equation of the bending equation is m by I is equal to Fb by y is equal to E by R, where m is the moment of resistance or bending moment, that is in Newton mm. The I is nothing but moment of inertia in mm to the power of 4. Fb is the bending stress in Newton per mm square. Y is distance of neutral axis from outermost layer in mm. E is equal to Young's modulus in Newton per mm square. The R is equal to radius of curvature in mm. So these are the reference. You can go through these books, Engineering Mechanics of Solids by Popov, EP, and this is the list of software learning website. Thank you everyone for the first session. So remaining topic will be covered in next session. Thank you all.